With Logos, commentaries are more powerful than ever. Configure them to follow your study automatically, examine any Bible reference or footnote without leaving the commentary, capture notes and highlights, and conduct advanced searches and reports. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Bible and commentary to scroll together, prioritize and use your favorite commentary series, customize and save personalized study layouts, capture notes, and more. Let's take the example of Matthew's genealogy as our starting point. Careful Bible readers will notice Luke and Matthew differ when listing Jesus' genealogy. Why are they different? What significance is there to Matthew's genealogy? Commentaries exist to answer these types of questions. Expand the library icon and search for Matthew. To further filter your results, tell Logos to only show Bible commentaries. You can prioritize resources within Logos in your searches and guides. Right-click and choose to prioritize a specific volume or a series of commentaries. The Prefer These Resources panel opens, showing your added selection. You can link resources in Logos so they scroll together, making your study more efficient. In the panel menu for each resource, set both your Bible text and the New American Commentary to link set A. When you scroll in either resource, Logos now keeps them in sync. You can even change books entirely. For instance, you may want to examine Luke's genealogy more thoroughly. The New American Commentary on Luke displays immediately. Click the back arrow to return to Matthew chapter 1. The NAC's volume on Matthew notes that David is the central figure throughout the genealogy. Select the text and choose a recent highlighting style from the selection menu to draw attention to this comment. You can also choose to share this quotation, and Logos will visually format the text to fit your content. Save it to your computer, send it to a presentation software, or share it on social media. As you learn, you'll want to keep your study organized. Expand the Tools menu and drag the Notes icon to create a note between the Bible text and your commentary. Because you're studying a passage, remove the commentary anchor and add one for the text. Now, anywhere a verse from Matthew 1:1-17 shows, a note icon will appear, directing you to your note. Since David is the genealogy's central figure, run an inline search on David to see how this commentary emphasizes his role. You'll learn that Jesus' title, Son of David, reminds Joseph of Jesus' messianic lineage. You can even expand your search to the entirety of the New American Commentary series. Run a basic search and ensure only the New American Commentary series is selected. Search for Son of David surrounded by quotation marks. You'll notice that the commentary on Mark in this series includes some helpful notes on this messianic title, pointing out that it draws attention to the Davidic origin of the Messiah, and then providing an important list of passages. Select this section, right-click to show the context menu, and create a new passage list. To focus on your commentary research, you may want to come back to this list later. You can get a link to your new list from the panel menu. Select L4, which creates a link meant for the Logos desktop application. Return to your note and paste the link to the passage list on Son of David. Clicking the link will open the saved passage list while keeping your notes clean and organized. As you continue to read from your commentary, you'll notice it's likely Matthew gives Jesus' legal ancestry, linking him to the throne of David. One of the easiest ways to surface commentaries in Logos is with a passage guide. Guides pull together your given resources to help you take advantage of all your content. Running a search for Matthew 1:1-17 opens a variety of resources on the passage, including a list of commentaries. Any prioritized resources show first. Open a few more commentaries for additional insight. To keep all these books in sync, set each to follow along with link set A. The New International Commentary on the New Testament confirms the emphasis on David, down to the very structure of the list, as Matthew's grouping in 14s highlights important turning points, one of which is King David himself. The New International Greek Testament Commentary indicates the break in pattern with Joseph is notable, producing a puzzle for the reader until it's resolved later in the virgin birth narrative. And the Pillar Commentary on Matthew says that the passive form highlights God's activity and prepares us for the narrative of the virgin birth, and that the virginal conception is in mind in the genealogy, further bringing out the truth that Jesus was the Son of David. In a few short minutes, you've collected important research notes, viewed 4 commentaries that automatically followed your study, and saved an extended passage list for later study. When you find a layout like this that helps you effectively study with your commentaries, expand the Layouts menu and save it as a named layout so you can return to it at any time. With commentaries and logos, spend less time turning pages and more time in deep Bible study.